By properly using detergents and additives, you can maximize your washer's performance. Here are a few tips from LG to get the most out of your LG washer. The dispenser drawer for your LG washer is divided into different compartments for each detergent type. There is a compartment for liquid chlorine bleach, liquid fabric softener, pre-wash detergent, and a main wash detergent compartment which holds a removable liquid detergent cup. When using the pre-wash option on your washer, add liquid or powdered detergent into the pre-wash detergent compartment. The amount of detergent recommended for the pre-wash option is half the amount recommended for the main wash cycle. Be sure to use HE or high-efficiency detergent with your washing machine. If you are using liquid detergent for the main wash, make sure that the liquid detergent cup is used in the main wash compartment to prevent the main wash detergent from being dispensed with the pre-wash detergent. When adding liquid detergent, make sure that the liquid detergent cup located in the main wash liquid detergent compartment is in place. Make sure to use HE or high-efficiency detergent. Follow the manufacturer's recommendations on how much liquid detergent should be used. Using too much detergent can cause oversudsing, poor rinsing, and detergent buildup on clothing. Please keep this in mind and adjust your detergent amount as needed. Do not exceed the maximum fill line. Powdered detergent should be added to the main wash compartment. Remove the liquid detergent cup from the dispenser drawer. Powdered detergent will not dispense properly if the liquid detergent cup is in place. Follow the manufacturer's recommendations on how much powdered detergent should be used. Do not exceed the manufacturer recommendations. When using a pod detergent, instructions may vary depending upon the manufacturer. Most likely, you will be asked to throw the pod into the tub along with your laundry for proper wash. Do not put pods in the dispenser drawer. Liquid bleach should only be added into the compartment marked liquid bleach only. Follow the manufacturer's recommendations on how much liquid bleach should be used. Using too much bleach can damage fabrics. Do not exceed the maximum fill line. Always measure out the amount of bleach before. Do not try to guess by pouring. Avoid overfilling or splashing when adding bleach to the dispenser. This may result in fabric damage. Do not add powdered or liquid color-safe bleach into this compartment. When adding liquid fabric softener, add the liquid softener into the compartment marked softener. Always follow the manufacturer's recommendations when adding fabric softener. Do not exceed the maximum fill line. Using too much fabric softener may result in stained clothes. It is recommended that you dilute concentrated fabric softeners with warm water before use. Thank you for watching our LG customer support video. We hope you enjoy your LG experience.